In a glass, add a strawberry slice into 4 wedges, then half lemon slices and about 10 pieces of mint leaves. Pour around 1 tablespoon strawberry syrup. Muddle to squeeze the juices. Add 4 pieces ice. Ice is done by putting strawberry slices into a tray mold, add water, and freeze overnight. Add light soda or any carbonated sparkling water, fill up to the rim. Then the straw. Put strawberry and mint for a pretty finish. There you go, strawberry mojito. You can add sugar as per your taste preference. Have a saucer with 2 tablespoons powdered sugar. Rub the citrus to the rim glass. Then dip it to the powdered sugar. Put 1 lemon slice. Add 1 teaspoon powdered sugar. Muddle to release the lemon juice. Add Sprite or any light carbonated drink. Fill up to half or 3/4 full. Add any blue colored drink and fill up to the rim. Give it a gentle mix, then add lemon for finish and then straw. There it is, Blue Lagoon Mojito. In a jar, add 2 strawberry slices, 1 lime, and half a lemon slices, around 15 mint leaves, 1 teaspoon powdered sugar or regular sugar syrup form will do. Then muddle to release the flavors. Add half cup strawberry syrup, pour Sprite or any light carbonated drink to 3/4 full. Add mango juice up to the rim. Then put lemon, strawberry, and mint for a pretty finish. There you go, strawberry mango mojito. In a glass, add strawberry slices, lime, and mint. Muddle to release the juices. Then add berry syrup up to 1/4 of the glass. Then soda to 3/4 full. Then the blue carbonated drink till the glass full. Finish with strawberry and mint. You can also add sugar for your taste preference. There you go, our berry mojito. Add lime slices, mint, about 10 mint leaves, squeeze 1 lime, then 1 teaspoon powdered sugar or any regular sugar or syrup form you have in your pantry. Muddle to squeeze the juice. Add light soda or Sprite or any carbonated sparkling water. Mix it, and then we'll add sliced lime and mint for finish. There it is, virgin mojito. Here is our mojito mocktail ideas. But surely the combination is endless, and you will say bye-bye to your boring drink, feeling fancy and refreshed the entire day. Thank you for watching. See you next time.